Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Prime Minister has cautioned tourism investors against labour exploitation. Dr. Andrew Holness was speaking recently at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Moon Palace Grand Montego Bay Resort in St. James. He also underscored the importance of ensuring workers benefit from the tourism product. Kimberly Petty report.
The Moon Palace Grand Montego Bay Resort is set to build the tallest tower in the country. The US $700 million investment will see more than 3,000 persons being gainfully employed. And so, Dr. Holness made it clear that these prospective hotel workers and others must not be exploited. In recent times, workers in the industry staged protests over poor wages, among other issues. Dr. Holness took the opportunity to address the long-standing issue.
For persons working, for example, in the tourism industry, or in any industry for that matter, there is an incredible, dissatisfaction with remuneration and conditions of pay. And the government does acknowledge that if we're going to improve service as a service economy, there has to be an increase in the level of remuneration and reward for the workers.
He said that it is important that
our tourism workers are reassured that our model of development is not exploitative. Right? It cannot be an exploitative model.
Dr. Holness pointed that there's a reality that needs to be confronted and addressed.
We are not seeking cheap labor to create profit for capital.
But that he believes labor and capital must both benefit from the value created. He made it clear to investors that
they must invest in the workers so that they can increase their productivity, so that they can increase value, which can be fairly shared between workers and capital. That is a must.
Meanwhile, Mr. Holness noted that Jamaica is a country to take risks as it will give significant returns.
As Jamaica becomes a destination for investment, Jamaicans have to become comfortable with foreigners, persons from different jurisdictions coming into the country and investing in the country.
Gibran Chapour is the CEO of Palace Resorts.
Today's groundbreaking for Moon Palace, the Grand Montego Bay, is the next step into that journey. Once completed, this resort will employ 3,000 people. 3,000 opportunities of growth for stability and for prosperity right here in Montego Bay.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 2,848 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 46 points. The winners include MFS Capital Partners, Omni Industries, NCB Financial Group, Fosrich Company, and JFP. The losers include Mayberry Group, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Jetcon Corporation, Carbon Assurance Brokers, and Berger Paints. 16 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.31. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.17. The pound is going for $217.30, while the euro is selling for an average $187.27. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.